We used our leftover epoxy to make some really cool natural stone samples. By experimenting with technique and color, you can emulate any natural stone on the planet. Visit us at stonecoatcountertops.com. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. Remember, when you subscribe to our channel, click on the red subscribe button and be sure to ring the bell so you get notified every time we have a new video. Thanks again.
Hey guys, we had some leftover epoxy. I wanted to show you a timeless recipe that works over any surface. This is a beautiful look and it's very simple to do. We had some white tinted epoxy with our white base tint and our clear art coat. I'm going to use that as our base and we're going to apply deep silver over it to create a contrast that's beautiful. Okay, remember guys, even though we're doing a small sample, this translates to a big project, no problem. We have a long open working time. This epoxy is designed for the do-it-yourselfer in mind, so you're not stressed about getting your look. You get to have fun, relax, and make the countertop of your dreams. Okay, we have our deep silver metallic additive mixed with 91% isopropyl alcohol. We mixed it at a ratio of 8 ounces to half a bag of metallic. We're going to shake that up, and I have my nozzle open pretty wide on this. That's on purpose. At first, it's going to look a little silly, but as you let those metallics meld and move and lay out on their own, this looks timeless. I'm pulling the trigger on my sprayer at different speeds and different strengths. This gives me larger particle size and smaller, finer mist, all intermixed. That looks better than just doing the same stroke every time. That's a pro tip. Whether you're a contractor installing epoxy countertops for everybody in your neighborhood, or this is for your own personal kitchen, this recipe is fantastic. It's easy to do, it's repeatable, and it's fun. It's also a great example of why to have a sample board set aside in case you have a little extra epoxy on a project. You can make a sample board that can wow your future clients. Guys, visit us anytime at stonecoatcountertops.com. We have many different color recipes that you can choose from that make natural stone in a minute. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. You got this.